Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix iCloud notes disappearing problem in iOS 18 on iPhone and iPad. Recently, a good number of iPhone users have complained about the sudden disappearance of their iCloud notes. If this problem had also run into on your device, I have got you covered with some handy fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to resync your iCloud notes because this tip has worked for many users. To do so, open the Settings app on your device and then tap on the Apple ID banner located at the top. And then choose iCloud. And after that, select the Notes app. And then ensure that the toggle next to Sync this device is enabled. Then check the Apple Notes app. Hopefully, your notes should be back to normal. However, if you don't see your notes, restart your iPhone, iPad or Apple Vision Pro and after restarting, check your settings again. After these quick steps, your iCloud notes should appear and start syncing again on devices that are signed in to the same Apple ID account. And when syncing completes, content previously synced to iCloud should appear in the Apple Notes app. However, if iCloud notes are still not showing up in the Apple Notes app, I would recommend you to sign out of the Apple ID and sign back in. To do so, open the Settings app on your device and then tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. And then tap on the Sign Out option. Then you can choose to keep a copy of all the important data before signing out. After that, you can sign back in using your Apple ID and password and check whether or not your notes have come back on track. Hopefully, it should be back to where it belongs. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your device because Apple keeps releasing the latest updates with plenty of bug fixes and improvements. Therefore, try updating the software. To do so, open the Settings app and then choose General. After that, select Software Update and then you have to download and install the latest update. And there you have it. So that's how you can fix the iCloud notes disappearing issue on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 18 or later. Hopefully, these tips help you recover your notes and prevent the problem from happening again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. Now, I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.